Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing the little first impressions of the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. And yeah, so it's a single use. I believe this was like $2.50 at my local Dollar General. But yeah, this is what the mask or the package to the mask looks like. Now I'm going to open it up with you guys. Oh, that just splashed my face. It says on the back, it says Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. Yes to charcoal to help detox skin. All you need now is a good detox juice cleanse. No. I don't do that. Formulated without parabens, I can't really say that word, SLS, and silicones. Charcoal, a natural detoxifier and impurity remover to deep clean skin, not just for grills anymore. How to use: gently unfold the mask and apply to clean skin. So I'm going to do that real fast. And then after that, it says adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth, smoothing to fit the crevices of your gorgeous face, which I just did. And it's slipping around a little bit as I talk. Cleanse, it says close eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask. Tingling ? Yes, it's working. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and I will be right back. All right, I am back and I'm going to take it off. It's been 10 minutes and I did feel some tingling. Most of the tingling was right through here. And as you can tell, I've been kind of getting breakouts a little bit right there. So I guess it has been working. My skin does look clearer, I think. Maybe it's just me thinking that. I don't really know. It's just in first impressions. I liked it. It was a really cool mask. It only took 10 minutes and I did feel it tingling. And on the last part of it, it says close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask. Tingling ? Yes, it's working. So yeah, it worked. It did what it said. It said the little black mask with charcoal to detoxify and clean pores. So yeah, I guess they're clean. I mean, they look clean to me. So I guess it did work. I like it. I definitely would use it again. If you're watching this a week from now, let me know how I feel about it after a week's time, because right now I like it, but sometimes using these masks, you really don't know what it might do, like, you know, in a day or two, like what your skin is feeling after that. Like it might have a reaction of some sort or whatever. Right now I feel like it's doing fine and I have a feeling it's going to do fine. I do, just for reference, I do have dry skin and it is a little bit on the sensitive side. So yeah, it does do like a tingling sensation, but that's how you know it works, like it says on the package. Just to let you know that the Yes to brand is cruelty free. So that's why I picked it up, and it was at a drugstore, so it's really easy to pick up for you guys, and it's very affordable. So I say give it a try if you hadn't already. If you like charcoal sheet mask, then give this a go. You might like it, especially if you need a little help with your pores. I don't really have that much problem with my pores, but here lately I have been getting breakouts around my nose, so I just wanted a face mask that was cruelty free at the drugstore, so I picked this one up and I do like it. So it gets a thumbs up from me. But yeah, like I said, if you want to know, like in a week from now, what I think about it, just leave a question down below and I will let you know. And if someone's already asked me in a week from now, then I will just put it in my description box below. And I'll also leave the link to this if I can find one. Yeah, don't forget, tomorrow I will be picking my giveaway winner of my Valentine's giveaway. And after the announcement, the next video I will be posting is my birthday month giveaway, my March giveaway. So you can enter that one if you're just now coming to my channel and you're watching this later. But yeah, I do giveaways every month, and I plan on continuing to do that as long as nothing, you know, happens financially. I will continue doing that. I hope you enjoyed the new Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask first impression. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.